what's up? It's Kaya. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome, and if you aren't new, what's up? You already know what it is. I'm back again with another wig review. I'm starting the wig review today with the wig on because it's gonna get real, okay? I wanted to start this video with the wig on because it's getting real. Like, this is different, okay? We've never seen anything like this on my channel before. But before we do, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, please. Go ahead and subscribe. I would really appreciate it, guys, okay? Let's go. Okay, so this is what the packaging looks like for the wig. It is the red carpet premiere full wig in the style Leah, is how I would pronounce it. It's Leah or Leah. It has a bang, and I have the color SR1B / camo. It's like a green shade, so I'm gonna open it up and pull it on out. This is how the wig looks. Let's hope so. I'm gonna put on my wig cap just to keep my hair laid down. It's not braided back right now, it's just in a ponytail. So what I can see from the wig right now, it has like a little bang in the front. The bang is really thin. We don't want too thick of a bang anyways. So I think that's pretty cool that the bang isn't as thick. Now when we get to the top of the wig, so like I said, it is a bang in the front. The top of it is kind of strange. The reason I say it's strange because the way it's cut, there's like little pieces sitting at the top. Do you see that? Like how that looks right there? That looks weird to me, so that will probably have to be like tied down just to be sure that it'll be okay. But the wig is pretty green. It's definitely a camo color, which I think is really cute. I like that it's not too thick either. There's no lace to cut on this wig, which is great. I hate cutting lace. It doesn't have any combs in it, so that tells me that I would need to use some glue just to make sure that if I actually wear this wig out, that it stays on. So I would definitely suggest wearing some type of glue, something to make your wig stay down. Whether you put a stretchy band on it, if you put your own combs in it, if you put clips in it, or you wear glue, I would suggest it because there are no combs, but there are adjustable straps. So the wig is definitely big head girl friendly. So that's a plus. I'm trying to figure out what to do with this bang, honestly, because I mean, I know it isn't supposed to be a straight bang, but it's kind of touching my eyelid, so I'm probably gonna have to cut this. But then I'm also wondering, should I just pull it back? You know, like, do I have it pulled too close to the front? But I'm not quite sure yet. Pushing some of the hair behind my ear because I feel like that will play a bigger part in this. Okay, so this is what this wig is looking like. It's definitely different. It's different than any other wig I've ever tried. I've never had a bang that's like the uneven cut, that's just like a really thin cut out bang, but it's cute. I actually really like this. It's a lot different than I've ever tried before. What do you guys think? This wig here is $25.95. I got it from Divatress.com and it's in the color camo. So I definitely think it's worth the $25.95. It's not a very thick wig, but the quality of it is really nice. I like how it feels. I didn't comb it with any comb. It was just finger combed, and it's really nice because it isn't even shedding. It's no shedding at all. The bang is the only thing that I'm interested in right now, like concerned about, because I'm not sure if it's too long, it needs to be cut, but then I'm like, maybe I just need to pull it back some. So you guys tell me, do you think that it should just be pulled back some, or do you think that maybe I need to cut the front of it? Because I have it pulled up more now, and you see how it's like going over my eyes right now, and that's kind of bothering me. I don't too much like that because I don't like the tickling sensation that's going on right now with the bang. So, and then I'm like, oh, just split it away like this, but that kind of looks a little crazy to me. So I want it to be able to be worn like this, you know? but I think this looks cute. I just have to get past the tickling because I feel like if I make it too short, if I cut it some more, that's going to be too short, and I want it to have that bang feel. So, and just for specific, so you guys know the specific name of this wig, if you go search it, it's the Main Concept Red Carpet Premiere Wig. The item number, it says RCP1001, and then the style is Leah, Leah, and the color is SR1B Camo. That was the color that I decided to get because I saw that it had a green feel to it, and I love green hair, and I'm loving this color. So yeah, I think it's really cute. This is how long it is. It looks even cuter in camera also. The wig is heat resistant, and it also comes in a bunch of different colors as well. So even if you don't want to try the camo color, it comes in black and brown as well. So you can try those colors out if you want something that's a little bit more on the natural side, you know. From what the card says, it does say that you shouldn't add as much product to it, which I don't usually do that with my wigs anyways because I don't sleep in them, and then I don't wear them for like 24 hours a day, or honestly probably not even 12 hours a day. So that's why I think that wigs can last a little bit longer, especially when they're on the cheaper side, if you don't wear them as much. And, you know, just take care of them and put them up nicely when you're done wearing them. It gives you the instructions of if you want to freshen it up that you use lukewarm water, and then you can also use a few drops of shampoo as well, and you're supposed to towel dry it, like pat it dry, which is something that I will actually try on this because I feel like that's going to help with just keeping the waves good and then making it where it's not tangled as well. So also, if you want to keep this from tangling, I would say definitely comb from the ends and use a big wide tooth comb to comb the waves out. You want to make sure you keep these waves in it because that's what gives it its style, like its unique style, and then the color is just helping as well. Yeah guys, I think this wig is really popping. I definitely think you should try it out. I really like the style, and I love the color. I'm just trying to figure out what to do with these bangs. I don't want to cut them yet because I really don't want to ruin it, so I'm gonna wait till the day that I actually wear this out, and we're gonna see what I do with it exactly, because right now the bangs are just like tickling, but I like how long they look, so that's why I don't want to cut them. And then I like it with it pulled back behind the ear as well, and or you can wear it over the ear, whichever one you like. I just think both ways are really cute. So guys, I really do hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. I really would appreciate it, guys, and comment on it and tell me how you like it as well, and if you're going to try it out, or you know, just let me know what you think of it. That's it. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next one.